Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. Understanding your financial reports is key to making informed business decisions. Financial reports are not just numbers. They tell the story of your business. They help you track performance, control costs, ensure accuracy, and make strategic decisions with confidence. In this video, we'll walk you through the core financial reports in Axanta ERP, including the trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, etc., and understand what each of them tells you about your business. Let's start with the trial balance report. To go to the trial balance report, click on Menu, go to Accounting module. Under Reporting, you will find Trial Balance. This report is the foundation of all financial reports. It provides a summary of all ledger balances in your system, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. The main purpose of the trial balance is to ensure that your books are accurate. You can also use this report to quickly review account balances and identify any unusual figures before analyzing further reports. So, let's click to generate the report. So, in this wizard here you can select the date. So, let's select this quarter. You can also select the from date and to date. Additionally, you can filter out the journals. Then if you want the report only for receivable accounts, so you can enable this option. And this is for payable accounts. If you want the report for specific accounts, so you can filter accounts from here as well. You can either view the report, take PDF, or export it into Excel. Now, by enabling Show Hierarchy, the report will show the accounts by hierarchy groups. Kindly note, the hierarchy depends upon the accounts group setup done. So, for now we shall click on View. So, here is the trial balance report. Here is the date range. Then, this is the account code. Here is the account name, initial balance. Here is the debit amount and this is the credit amount, and this is the period balance. And this is the ending balance. Now, if you want to take the PDF of the report, click on PDF. You can either open the report, download the report, or click on Print to get the printout. So, as you can see, this is the PDF of the report. So, this is how you can take the trial balance report. Next, we have the profit and loss report. To take the report, click on Menu and click on Account module. Under Reporting, you will find Profit and Loss report. This report shows the performance of your business over a selected period. P&L report tells you how much income your business has generated and what costs were incurred to earn that income. It starts with your total revenue, then subtracts the cost of goods sold to calculate your gross profit. After that, all operating expenses such as rent, salaries, and utilities are deducted to arrive at the final net profit or loss. This helps you understand not just whether you're profitable, but also where your money is being spent. So, we shall click to generate the report. So, this wizard will get opened. From here, you can select the date range. Let's select this quarter. Next, we have the analytics filter. For example, if you have multiple stores, and if you want to view the profit and loss report for a particular store, you can easily select the desired store from here and generate the report. Then from here, you have the option to display the credit and debit column in the report. Next, if you want to compare the P&L report, you can enable the comparison option. So, to view the report, we'll click here. So, let's understand the report. First, let's understand the gross profit. Gross profit represents the profit earned from core business operations, before considering any indirect expenses or other income. It considers the product sales and the cost of goods sold. So, this is the debit amount and the credit amount. And this is the gross profit balance. So essentially, this tells us how much profit we are making purely from buying and selling our products. Now, let's understand the income. Income is the total revenue generated by the business. It mainly includes other income, along with product sales. So, this is the total credit amount, and this is the balance amount. Now, to get the net profit or loss, it considers the indirect expenses, so this is the debit amount, and this is the credit amount of indirect expenses. So, the net profit and loss included the expenses amount as well. As you can see, the credit amount is higher than the debit amount, resulting in a balance of minus 39,928.064 KD. This indicates that the business is running at a profit. In order to download the report, click on PDF and click on Download. So, this is how you can take the P&L report. Now let's understand the balance sheet report. To generate the report, click on Menu, go to Accounting module. Under Reporting, you will find Balance Sheet. The balance sheet shows the financial position of the company at a specific point in time, what the business owns, what it owes, and the owner's equity. This report helps you understand the financial strength, liquidity, and stability of your business at any given moment. So, in order to generate the report, we'll click here. In this wizard, here we shall select the date. Let's say, this financial year. Next, if you want to take the balance sheet of a specific store, so in the analytic filter you can select that store as well. Now, let's click on View. So, this is the balance sheet report. Let's start with assets. Assets represent everything the business owns or controls. Assets includes bank balance, cash balance, accounts receivable, and so on. So, this is the debit amount, this is the credit amount, and this is the balance. Next, we have liabilities. Liabilities represents what the business needs to pay. Example, accounts payable, salary payable, etc. Finally, we have equity. Equity represents the owner's stake in the business. Example, current earnings, current allocated earnings, previous unallocated earnings, and so on. And finally, as you can see at the top, the total debit and credit amounts are equal. This means the balance sheet is perfectly balanced. So this is how you can generate balance sheet. And similarly, this is how you can access and review key financial reports in Axanta ERP.